Well, it's still morning. We are on a hiking trail. First time we get out of the house to go and do something fun aside from just going grocery shopping. And so we decided to come here and go on a hiking trail. We're gonna go see one of the few waterfalls, at least that we know of, in the San Diego area. It's in the Rancho Peñasquitos area, and it's about, be careful with the horse shit. Yeah, the horses come through here too. And this hike is about 6.5 miles altogether, but it's mostly flat terrain. It's not a lot of climbing up, and we're expecting it to be pretty heavily trafficked because San Diego just opened the trails to people so they can get out of the house and exercise after this virus thing. So there's one side of the trail that is most walked through. Let me show you this way. There's one side of the trail that's most trafficked, but we decided to come through this side that is not, so we don't have to get close to too many people, and the terrain is it's a little bit more, just slightly more challenging because you're talking about pebbles and everything around here. In these trails about here, right here in the San Diego area, in the Poway area, you just gotta be careful. There are, but well, you guys know they're well, yeah, well, you guys saw that in the signs, right? The mountain lions, right, girls? Bobcat and mountain lion country. Hopefully, we don't get to see a mountain lion. Now, if we do, I always like to bring a knife, a pretty decent sized knife with me on hikes like this, just in case we have a fighting chance. There are also rattlesnakes over here in this area. We've already seen some road runners, so wherever you see road runners, you know that rattlesnakes are around, because road runners love to eat rattlesnakes. And whenever you see road runners, you know there are coyotes around, because coyotes love road runners and rabbits. All right, what do we got here?
Jason,
No, I'm biking on single track. Oh, there's water in there, guys. Look at this. Check this out. Look at this. It's a little river coming through here. And there's a, look at this. Come here, this way.
Oh, it's on the side of the picture.
Yeah, we saw this in the picture. We use this app. It's called Trails. It's really cool. You get an idea on what kind of terrain you're looking at. Look at that. Look at the little river coming through here. Let me take a picture of you guys over here in this bridge, huh? Yeah, girls? Wait a minute. That's a nice little area right here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of the girls. And like I said, we found the little river. These are not the waterfalls. that we're just going to follow this trail till it takes us there. Again, there was quite a lot of people there by that little overpass bridge, and so we're trying to stay away from as many people as possible. So we're coming back around this other way, but you can see the river here too, girls. Look at this. See? Pretty, huh? No place to sit down right there. Look at that. And yeah, you can touch the water. Go ahead.
No, did you?
Yeah, it's nice and cold.
It's
You gonna touch it?
It's kind of a steep drop.
What if I throw you in there?
You're not. It's
I'm
too
not?
shallow. No. I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna die.
We have insurance. We'll be okay. This is a nice area for like
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so this is a nice little area, like Jasmine said, for like a little picnic or even camping.
Let me try.
Don't you have water?
Well, I don't want to pour it out. I want to get water too. I'm just using it. Well, it's
Look at this,
easier than
girls.
pulling it out.
Drinking my water.
It's community water.
It's not. I'm carrying my own.
Community water. Hey, keep in mind.
Hello. Yeah, this is a nice area to set up a tent right there next to the water. That would be cool. Alrighty. Let's keep on going. See how there's people in the trails? And look at this grass. There's a lot of bedding here. Let's see that right there? See how the grass is bent that way, girls? So animals lay here to sleep. That's what that means. So I don't know what kind of animals lay here
big, so.
to sleep, but I mean, I don't know if they have deer here. I don't think so.
No, they have deer. They have mule deer.
They do? Yeah, so like deer will normally set bedding like this.
They also have eagle. Her parents are what we call irresponsible.
You can see the trail right there. It's a lot nicer compared to this one.
Why are we going this way, though?
We're coming back the other way because there's a lot more people that go through there.
We found a cool tree over there.
Oh, I saw that. No, there are no alligators here. This is not Florida. And there are no crocodiles here. This is not Australia.
Look, we hit the waterfall.
No, we haven't yet.
Now we have to go back.
You can see Elizabeth is thrilled with this hike. And we're back to the more easy terrain.
So what did you say?
So we're coming to a split. Now there it says, what does that say, girls?
Crave?
Grave. Something grave.
Oh, it's G.
What is that?
I can't that far.
Nature's grave?
What's the grave?
What is
Yeah,
that?
Nature's
Nature's grave.
Nature's grave.
So there you go, Nature's grave. Let's see what this is. Somebody's grave.
Yeah.
You know who Eachers is?
I know the Nature's.
Let's go right here on this side. Well, that sign tells you who it is.
Still
How would you bury somebody all the way out here? So here we go. John Joseph Eachard. Died in 1882. From Pennsylvania. So he was a prince in Germany, I guess. Okay. And I just think it's a little weird that he's buried here in the middle of nowhere. Yeah?
Apparently he was believed to be a ranch cook when he died of tuberculosis.
Oh, they got a little platform coming through here. What's wrong? Is it shaky? Shaky? Waterfall to the left. Ranch house to the right. Now let's go to the waterfall.
Oh, they have dolphins? That's cool. The pineapples. So good. Dad,
It's a nice valley. What's up?
remember? My back is sweating so much.
Remember what?
Remember in Hawaii, we ate like the snow cone, the stand? They had like ice, like shaved ice.
Well, hold on.
And on the
Out the way.
inside-
Out the way. Out the way. The ice and what?
And then the inside was like ice cream.
Yep. Hello.
We ate there like every day.
Yeah, where the snow cone, ice cream in the middle, and those jelly mochi. Yeah.
So
The pineapple ice cream at the Dole Plantation was amazing.
Mm-hmm.
And then they had a farmer's market out in the front, like the first, like when I went. And I got a bunch of honey sticks. So, like, just along the trail, I was just cracking those babies open. It was so good.
Yeah. Who misses Hawaii? Yeah, all of
I
you?
hope I live there.
Yeah. Jasmine's hoping to get stationed there.
Just for a little bit. I don't want to, like, live there forever. Just like, for, like, a couple years.
Alright, so waterfall. This way. We are arriving to the waterfall. From the parking lot to the waterfall is 3.4 miles. Somebody just fell over there. It was a mountain biker. Took a pretty bad fall. But he's doing alright. Hey, look at those people out there. Let's see, let me stop here. See if we can zoom in. Let's see if we can get up there where those people are. That would be an awesome view right there, girls. Let's see if we can make that. Oh, wait. Look at that. I can hear the waterfall. Definitely hear it. There, I see the water. There's people down there getting. Go, look at that. That would be cool. Alright, we're gonna go up there.
Which video? At the waterfall?
Hello.
Yeah. Do some, no, do it on Jeff song.
Yeah, there we go. Quite a lot of people here today, of course. First weekend, the fun of the day. There are people swimming over there. Look at that. Let's go up there, and then we'll work our way down. Okay. All right, let's go down the way. There are steps. Oh, we gotta get our shoes off by the time we get there, huh? Get through there. Maybe. We'll see. We won't know until we get there, okay? Let's go. It's gonna be close. We definitely gotta take our shoes off next to here. we just spent a little while at the waterfalls back here. Super awesome. Got in the water a little bit, cool down, relax, enjoy the view for a while. It was 3.4 miles from the parking lot to here. What's that, girls?
Yeah. What?
What's that?
Oh, I said we should have wore swimsuits underneath so that when we got here, there's like enough area that's slow enough that we could have swam.
Should wear like a bathing suit
Like,
top
we
and
could
a
have worn,
short.
like a bikini underneath or something.
Yeah. Actually, that's a good idea. I did. Swim shorts. I knew I was coming to a waterfall, so I brought them.
Well, I didn't know if it was gonna be like an actual waterfall.
Yeah.
It was gonna be, like,
We didn't know there was water.
Oh, water in a waterfall.
Oh my god, look at that spider, Jasmine.
So we're heading back. We got another 3.4 miles back to the car. It took us. Since we left the parking lot, it's been like 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Again, that's time, not just walking the whole time. It's we were stopping, taking pictures. I spent about 30 minutes or so at the waterfall, or maybe a little bit more. So, walking here at a slow pace, because we were walking slow, no girls?
There was a couple cases where we sped up.
Well, at the beginning, about half of it we walked slow, the other half we sped it up a little bit more. It was about an hour and an hour walk to here, a little bit more than that maybe. So we're heading back. 5 stars. What do you give this this hike, girls?
0. Just kidding.
0 stars.
Kidding.
I would probably say I'd give it a 5. I'd definitely come back.
5?
3.5.
3.5 for Elizabeth. 5 for Jasmine. I really liked it.
I would come back.
I would come back, but
I'll give it a 4.
some part was rough.
Yeah, I'll give it a 4.
But it depends on what you like. I like it more challenging hike.
Yeah.
That's why I like it.
If you, if you obviously going through the rocks, you're gonna be doing some climbing, but you can just enjoy the waterfall without the climbing part.
I prefer climbing.
Yeah. Anyway, we got about an hour walk back. Hope you guys like the trail. If you are in San Diego, come to the Poway Rancho Peñasquitos area. There's a lot of trails out here. This one is one with a beautiful waterfall where you can get in the water and it's nice and clean. And let me know what you think. If you've been here and you rate it differently than we do, let us know too. All right, we're gonna be doing a lot more of these hiking videos because we've been stuck in the house and there's nothing else to do. We're not allowed to travel or do much of anything right now. So Jen and Anthony, they're brothers, my twin boys. They're going to be coming in on Thursday, here in a couple of days.
Wow.
And they're going to be joining us in some of our, well, all of the hikes. So you guys know them from prior videos. Anyways, we'll see you guys. Talk to you later.
Ciao.
Ciao, bye-bye.